Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tired of working 24/7? Worry no more. Today, we're going to talk about a popular way of making money online: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a commission-based system where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. So, if you have a blog, website, or social media following, affiliate marketing can be a great way to monetize your content and earn some extra cash. All you have to do is sign up for an affiliate program, get your unique referral link, and promote the product or service to your audience. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. It's that simple. There are many affiliate programs out there for a variety of products and services, from fashion and beauty, to technology and software. You just need to find the one that aligns with your niche and interests. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. These programs have a wide range of products to choose from and offer competitive commission rates. To maximize your earnings, it's important to choose products that are relevant to your audience and provide value. Don't just promote products for the sake of making a commission. Your audience will trust you more if you recommend products that you truly believe in. With the right strategy and effort, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring affiliate programs today and start earning some extra cash. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video. Try affiliate marketing and let me know how it works out for you. Good luck!